My name is Shasta Johnson. I work for Signature Performance as the Vice President of Business Transformation. Signature Performance is an Omaha-based healthcare administrative services organization. We solve complex problems in the administrative side of healthcare, claims processing, revenue cycle management, contact call centers, business transformations, consultancy. Our proprietary ClaimsXM product currently serves about 430,000 members, and it's built on the Facets core system and many of the Facets tools, including NetworX. We chose to undergo the FedRAMP authorization project because we chose to engage in business that required being in the cloud and being FedRAMP authorized. Achieving FedRAMP authorization demonstrates our ability to meet and exceed security posture requirements. And that accreditation tells the world that you're able to keep their data secure, specifically confidentiality, availability, and integrity of the data. There's a lot of reasons that Facets is the clear choice above a lot of other options. For me, it comes down to proven functionality in the industry. Facets is tried and true and tested. It's dependable, it's reliable, it's scalable. When you're going to embark on a endeavor to install and deploy into a cloud-based environment for the first time ever, and then on top of that, you're going to step up and meet rigorous security controls, the last thing you want is a system that you're going to build as your foundational component that isn't reliable, that hasn't stood the test of time, that hasn't proven itself. Facets has proven itself for many years in the industry. We chose to implement NetworX Pricer because we needed the best pricing module to be included, right? You want to pay these claims accurately, so the ability to configure these plans and agreements and ensure that the right pricing schedules are implemented and applied to the claims during the adjudication process is critical. A lot of the tools that are part of the Cognizant toolbox, they go hand in hand with Facets, and together they provide the ecosystem you need to adjudicate and reimburse properly. So achieving FedRAMP authorization, personally for me, it feels really good because it speaks to our mission of improving the business of our clients and making the lives of people we work with better. Signature's relationship with Cognizant is a true partnership. Cognizant's been really critical in our success, from our initial evaluation of products to settling on Facets, the implementation and the resources that we had available to consult with us on the different ways we can configure the system and set it up, from partnership and project management, subject matter experts. When we got to the point of FedRAMP authorization and we had our third-party assessor performing their testing, we'd find something literally within hours of connecting with Cognizant. They were working on solving those issues and providing us with exactly what we needed to move forward. And it really helped us achieve that authorization from FedRAMP expeditiously. And that's one of the reasons why a firm goes with a company like Cognizant and a platform like Facets, is because it does have that industry proven record, but also you have that boutique touch, so to speak. You know, the people care about you, they know your name, they're trying to solve the problem, they're invested in you being successful. And they're looking to not just answer what you need today, but what are you going to need in the future. Cognizant really invests in their client success. They do everything they can to make sure that each and every client they have is successful in their endeavors.